Hello, friends. How you doing? Well, it's my Friday announcement. I'm celebrating 1 year and 50 videos on YouTube. It might not seem a lot to some of you, but I'm excited. Also, we have some fun stuff coming up on the Sunday Live at 5:30 Mountain Time, 7:30 Eastern Time, and 4:30 Pacific. I have to show you this new pouring tool I got. This is from Tracie Reed Designs. Check this out. Yeah, we're going to use it Sunday. It's got all these great, it's a shovel pour, but it has the dividers, and it also has, let me just get this out here. Okay, there we go. It also has these little feet that you can put right here. There are 4 of them. So you can put it to keep this level or tilted back a little bit when you're putting your paints in the channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 channels. Yeah, so I'm excited. Going to use that on Sunday. Thank you, Tracy. I love your stuff, your split cups and everything. So that's that. Also, I got my new Colourarte Prizm Pour, our Vivid Intense. Oh my gosh, 12 bottles. I'm going to show you, just give you an idea. Now, these are 1 fluid ounce. Now, you might not think that's a lot. However, they're like using the golden acrylics in the little bottle. Okay, you only need a few drops depending on the color that you want, but they're all bright, they're all beautiful. If you haven't seen what they look like up close and personal, I'll just show you the one. Just happened to pick the orange. This one's called Pyro Orange. Go to the Colourarte website and look at all the Prizm Pours and look at the Vivid Intense. Unreal. So I'm going to be continue doing the series on 3 colors only. Do you have any idea how hard it was to pick 3 colors out of these gorgeous colors? Okay, I'm going to be using the Quinacridone Magenta, Cobalt Aqua, and Hansa Yellow Light. So that I'm having a thought that this is going to be really cool. Remember, I'm only using 3 colors. I'd like to use a metallic, but I'm going to stick to my guns. So those are the 3 we're going to use on Sunday. Also, to thank you all for being so supportive and generous and watching and hanging in there when I took a little hiatus, I'm going to do a Thanksgiving giveaway. I showed you the piece last week. I will show it again at the beginning of the live on Sunday. So all you have to do when you're on the live, when we announce we're doing the giveaway, is write "put me in." Thank you, Bourbon Bounty, for that idea. And just so I know who wants to be in that giveaway, and then Angie will write down all the names and then do a random pick. So you never know, you might win it. It's big. It's 10 by 20 deep inch gallery wrap. And it's a swipe. It's got all sorts of sparkles, of course. So I'm excited about Sunday. I sure hope you can join me. Bring your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button and share with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Love to get those subs up, but you know what? It's all about the fun as far as I'm concerned. So I hope you have a great couple of days, and I'll see you Sunday. We're going to have a lot of fun. All right. Keep that sparkle on. And until Sunday, bye-bye.